What if the technology that recommends your next video, translates your words, helps doctors detect diseases, guides robots, and even explores Mars, all comes from the same idea? That idea is artificial intelligence. Welcome to the incredible and diverse world of artificial intelligence. From improving user experiences on the web to navigating the roads with autonomous vehicles, AI's applications are transforming our world in countless ways. At the core of AI are machine learning techniques. These include supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, each playing a pivotal role in AI's capabilities. Supervised learning involves models that learn from labeled data. For example, spam filters in email are trained using emails labeled as spam or not spam. Unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data. An example is customer segmentation in marketing, where AI groups customers based on similar behaviors. Reinforcement learning is learning through trial and error. AI agents make decisions and learn from the outcomes, like in AI-based gaming strategies. AI revolutionizes communication through natural language processing and speech recognition, enabling language translation apps and voice-activated systems. Computer vision allows machines to interpret visual information. It's key in face recognition technologies, image searches, and in the operation of autonomous vehicles. In robotics, AI is integral to robot motion planning. This involves AI guiding robots to navigate and accomplish tasks in dynamic environments. The Mars rovers, like Perseverance, demonstrate AI's role in space exploration. They use AI for navigating and making decisions on the Martian terrain. In self-driving cars, AI integrates complex processes like perception, decision-making, and navigation, reshaping the future of transportation. Beyond transportation, AI transforms industries, with applications in predictive maintenance, personalized marketing, and healthcare diagnostics. In summary, AI's versatility in learning from data and adapting to new situations makes it invaluable. It's not just a technological advancement, it's a solution to real-world challenges. In the next video, we'll discuss basic prompt techniques and how to craft your first effective prompt. You'll learn how to give clear instructions, add the right details, and guide AI tools to produce better, more useful responses. If you want to keep learning AI in a simple and beginner-friendly way, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who wants to build future-ready skills. So stay connected, keep learning with us, and we'll see you in the next video.